So we've trenched 4,000 meters at Tepic. We'll do about 2,700 meters at the Tigra. And then from there, we're going to drill. Drill, baby, drill.
We're at the StockPulse Silver Symposium in Coeur d'Alene. I've got Alex Langer. He is the CEO of Sierra Madre. We trade as SM on the Toronto Venture Exchange, and a newly listed OTCQB coming soon. He'll tell us about that soon. But Alex, appreciate you making the trip down here to lovely Coeur d'Alene. There's a whole lot of silver around here, so let's talk about your project. Not quite in Idaho and Mexico, but correct, let's get into Sierra Madre, please.
Yeah, absolutely. No, thank you so much for having us. We're absolutely thrilled to be here. The turnout's been great. We just did our private presentation, had lots of people, so it's been great, and people have come to ask about Sierra Madre. So Sierra Madre Gold and Silver is an exploration and future development company. We're working on consolidating the area in and around Nayarit in western Mexico.
Yeah. So yeah, you got a lot of good company down there. Mexico's a good place to be. So talk about working in Mexico, how friendly it is, and what you're on to down there.
Yeah, it's wonderful. It really is. So silver's obviously Mexico's largest exporter of silver in the world, largest producer. So they're very comfortable with mining. The clear framework of what you need to do in terms of permitting, environmental work. It's one of the reasons why our Chief Operating Officer, Greg Liller, who's American, lives in Tucson. He used to run and operate numerous mines. He moved to Mexico in 1993. Just for those reasons. So he's had 7 of his projects actually become mines, which is unheard of, and he just liked the permitting process and the people in Mexico, and it's one of the great areas to work.
It seems like you've got the atmosphere down there, you've got a good jurisdiction, so where are you at in the overall scheme of things?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we're in Nayarit. It's an area that there is production there. It's smaller scale, kind of like family-sized mines. There's tolling facilities, there's precious metal facilities, things like that, but no one's really kind of come in and consolidated. So that's what we want. We're looking for production through acquisition and through advancements of our projects. So we have 2 projects now, 2 really exciting ones. One we just announced that we acquired from Grupo Mexico, which is the 3rd largest copper producer in the world. They're a massive railway network company. They have banks, things like that. So for them to do a deal with a junior like us, it kind of goes to show what the capabilities of our management team is. That's one project. It's never seen a drill hole. It's been in production about 100 years. Grade there is 10 grams gold, 358 grams silver, so really significant. So that was quite exciting. That's a project we just announced. And then our flagship is Tepic. Tepic used to have 150 million market cap during its heyday. Has 10 or 18 million ounces of silver, depending on what cutoff grade you want to use. And we're actively expanding that right now. So we found a bunch of new strike lengths, so trenching them, and we're going to be announcing a really exciting drilling campaign in the next few weeks where we're going to put a lot of holes into it. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, you just laid out my next question, which was what's the year end going to look like? Looks like a lot of work, a lot of drilling. So yeah, maybe encapsulate it all into what the...
Yeah, it's going to be exciting. So the 2 projects, and we're going to be drilling both of them this year. So we're trenching as we speak. We really want to get a high level of confidence in terms of where our drill holes are going to go. So we've trenched 4,000 meters at Tepic. We'll do about 2,700 meters at the Tigra. And then from there, we're going to drill. Drill, baby, drill. We have a program. It's going to be between $4 and $5 million. We're going to have 2 drill rigs, 1 RC, 1 diamond, and we'll literally be switching between projects back and forth, back and forth. Mob costs are pretty low, like $4,300, so we're easy access for us to get in and out. Once assays come in, then we'll just keep on going. All that with the expectation that we'll deliver a 43-101 resource report by Q1 of next year, and then from there we'll start doing some economic work.
Yeah, let's put bookends on this. So investors have a lot of opportunities out there. What makes Sierra Madre different?
I think it's our management team. If you kind of take a look at some of the people involved, Greg is amazing. Like, to have 7 projects become mines, I don't know, it's do it once or twice, yeah, maybe lucky. And then myself on the corporate side, have been quite fortunate. The last 3 companies I've started have done well. One's been in the news lately, Millennial Lithium. We just accepted a $387 million all-cash offer for a project in Argentina. Prime Mining is another one I founded that we started at 15 million market cap, trading well over 400 million. And even one here in Idaho that just came to fruition again. We founded a company that acquired the Idaho Cobalt Project in Salmon. I don't know if you know that one. And today they just announced the first $30 million drawdown from a $100 million facility to start construction there. So this is why we do it. This is wealth creation. This is the opportunity that we have, and that's why we invest, and that's why we're doing this. It's high risk, but it's high reward. And I think Sierra Madre has everything that people would like to see. Good projects, great jurisdiction, and right management team and the right capital.
We look forward to keeping an eye on the wire. So that's Alex Langer, he's the CEO, Sierra Madre, that's SM on the Toronto Venture Exchange, and stay tuned for that OTCQB listing in a couple weeks, I'm told. So Alex, appreciate it.
Awesome, thank you so much.